Next! Next contestant.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So, magsimula tayo sa pangalan mo at ano yung gagawin mo.
My name is Ton, last name Ting. Tonting.
Tonting?
Yeah, that's my name.
Ano kasi pangalan yun?
Angay mo!
Oh, so?
It's Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah.
Pero gray book mo.
Yeah, it's I'm 40 plus, that's why it's turning gray, you know?
So, anong gagawin mo ang talent ngayon?
Dancing.
Dancing. So, sa pagsasayaw mo, sa tingin mo, mananalo ka?
Wait.
Oh.
Yeah, puko lang dyan, Calvin. Okay lang yan. Come on. Ay, sorry.
Sino yung kausap mo?
Yeah, I have a friend, Calvin. His name is Calvin.
Sino yun? Sinong Calvin?
Introduce yourself. Yeah, I'm Calvin. I'm 3 years old. I was born in 21 March.
Wala naman nagsasalita eh.
That's him.
Oh.
Okay, have a seat.
Sige. Tuloy mo na.
Okay, go.
Sumayo ka na. So, sasayaw rin ba yan si Calvin?
Yeah. But can they see you? Huh? They can see me, but I'll try. Okay, we'll try daw. But we'll dance together. You know, we're synchronized.
Nanggagago ka lang yata eh.
Yeah.
Kaya sayang mo lang yata oras namin eh.
Yeah. Opo.
O so, sinasayang mo nga.
Hindi. Opo, sasayaw siya, sabi ko.
Sige, go.
Hi. Sige.
Tayo na, sayaw. Oh. Stop. Hindi. Stop na. Hindi ako na aaliw eh.
I was dancing to stop.
Si ano?
Right now.
Stop right now.
Oh.
Thank you very much. Yun. Yung isa, sumasayaw ba?
Oh, yeah. Are you done? Yes, I'm done. Okay. We're done.
Isa pa nga.
Ano pang gusto mo po?
Hindi ako nabibilib eh. Parang hindi ka naman mananalo eh. Oo. So, anong sayaw yan?
Michael Jackson.
Yeah,
look. I'm gonna do a moonwalk.
Ano yan?
Moonwalk!
Pinagloloko mo ako eh. Yun na yun.
Ha?
Yun na yun.
Yeah.
Ano lang? Sige, next.
No!
Bakit?
I'm talented. I'm the best dancer in the world. What the F?
Paano mo nasabing best dancer ka?
Yeah, Calvin told me.
Si Calvin?
Calvin, yeah. I'm the best dancer
Na
in the
hindi ko
world.
naman
Right, high five. No, low five. Kasi mababa ka.
Pero hindi ko naman nakikita.
Low five. Oh, sorry. What up?
Hindi ko nakikita eh.
Ano hindi mo nakikita?
Wala naman si Calvin. Wala. Pinagloloko mo ko. Nagsasayang lang tayo ng oras.
Okay, whatever.
Alis!